Hey guys, welcome back to Milky and Sis. Today we're going to be making cheesy garlic bread. These are the ingredients you'll be needing. Let's get started. So I have 3 teaspoons of unsalted butter here, and if you have salted butter, then you can directly use it. So I'm adding some salt in it. So now I'm going ahead and adding coriander leaves. Now we're gonna go ahead and shred the garlic. So now I put everything, so now I'm gonna go ahead and mix it all together. So just mix it like this, and now we're done. Now we're just gonna go ahead and spread it all over the bread. I went ahead and melted the butter a little and spreaded it. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the cheese. So I went ahead and added all the cheese. Now we're just gonna go ahead and put this over the other bread over this bread, like that. And now we're gonna go ahead and spread this again. Okay, so I went ahead and spread it, and now it's time to get baked. So now I put it on the pan and I'm cooking it on medium heat. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and flip it. So I flipped it and this is how it looks. And now we're gonna go ahead and add more garlic sauce. It's ready now. Now we're just gonna go ahead and cut it. So cheesy. It's done and it's tasting time. Look at how cheesy it is. Tastes so good. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to check out our other videos.